Craving a fresh bakery-style lemon cake but don't want to turn on your oven? This soft and fluffy lemon glaze mug cake comes together in just 1 minute using simple ingredients. Start with a microwave-safe mug. Add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix everything well. Now add 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, then add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Set it aside and let's prepare a quick lemon juice. For that fresh lemon flavor, squeeze half a lemon and measure 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add it directly into the batter, then add half a teaspoon of fresh lemon zest. Mix everything together until combined. Microwave the mug cake for about 1 minute. Cooking time may vary depending on your microwave, so check the center and add a few extra seconds if needed. While the cake is warm, let's make a quick lemon glaze. In a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest. Mix until smooth and creamy. Pour the lemon glaze over the warm mug cake and finish with some colorful sprinkles for a fun bakery-style touch. And that's it. A soft, fluffy, sweet, and refreshing lemon mug cake ready in minutes. If you enjoyed this quick microwave dessert, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Nuke&Bake, and turn on notifications for more easy mug cake recipes. See you in the next recipe.